Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna look at how to contact Bumble support. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. In this video, we're only gonna focus on how to contact Bumble support. Initially, on the top left, you'll see your profile picture along with your name. Just click on it. Then you'll be directed to a page like this. Initially, you'll be in the edit profile section, but do note that you can activate Spotlight, upgrade to Bumble Boost or Premium from right here as well. Right here you can see something like Contact and FAQs. Just click on it and then you'll be redirected to the Contact and FAQs page. Well, right here under the Useful Links tab, you'll see something like Contact Us. Just click on the button right here and your page will open up. So simply scroll down and right here there are some few steps that you need to complete, saying pick the most suitable subject for your problem from the list below. Simply select a question from right here, enter your name, email address, what mode you're using, what platform you're using, and finally complete the step 2. I'm just gonna fill out all the details, and as you can see I have filled out almost everything. Do note that you can add a screenshot as well, but it is optional. Once everything's okay, simply hit on the send message button right here. That's how we contact Bumble. Now once everything's okay, Bumble support will contact you through the registered email address. And guys, that's the gist of it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.